To receive Ethereum on Webull Pay, start by ensuring you have the Webull app downloaded and you're logged in. Next, navigate to the Crypto tab within the app. Then select Wallet and choose Ethereum ETH from the available cryptocurrencies. Tap on Receive to generate your unique deposit address. This address is a 42-character hexadecimal string that always starts with 0x. Copy this address carefully and share it with the person sending you ETH. Crucially, instruct the sender to select the Ethereum network when sending. Webull only supports ETH deposits on the Ethereum mainnet. Using any other network, like Binance Smart Chain, will result in permanent loss of your funds. Your deposit address is a unique identifier for your Webull ETH wallet linked to your account. For security, always generate a new address for each transaction. Webull uses ERC20 compliant addresses compatible with the Ethereum ecosystem. Network selection is paramount. Always ensure the sender selects the Ethereum or ERC20 network. Webull Pay integrates a non-custodial wallet feature, securing your private keys server-side with user-controlled access. Remember that Ethereum transactions require gas fees for processing. Webull will estimate these, but you can sometimes adjust them. Confirmation times for ETH deposits typically range from 1 to 5 minutes, depending on network congestion. For enhanced security, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your Webull account.